What's going on, everyone? Back again with another sit down video. And yeah, so today I'm filming this is Wednesday, March 15th. You guys will be seeing this Thursday, March 16th. This is part 2 of preparing for Bolt's birthday 2023. If you guys did not check out yesterday's video where I mentioned, well, Wednesday's video, I was mentioning a little bit about Bolt. Go check that out if you guys have not seen the video yet. I know sit down videos don't really do good on this channel. You guys really prefer the fail videos over the sit down videos. But it's okay. I'm still gonna make a sit down video. Yeah. So, anyway. So I was thinking of some ideas for Bolt's birthday. I looked in my freezer, and you guys remember last year, it was, I think maybe back in either June or May, I showed you guys Bolt eating the doggy ice cream, whatever it was called. It was like a Purina brand or something like that. Yeah, so, yes, Tom, I was talking about the doggy ice cream. Sorry, that was Tom in the background. I guess he wanted to be in the video too. So, anyway, so I'm gonna give that to him for his birthday. Yeah, so, come here, Tom. Tom, come here. Tom. Ignore me then. Come here. He's ignoring me right now. Tom. Tom. Come here. Yeah, he's like, nope, I'm not wanting to be on camera. But yet you meowed a few seconds ago. I don't know what it is, but have y'all guys noticed, like, whether it's a video about Tom or Bolt, whenever I'm doing a sit-down video, it's like one of them wants to be in, Tom, probably not so much, but Bolt, he just wants to be in the, videos. Hold on, I'm almost done. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell to know when I post, join us around. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends. I'm getting close to 300 subscribers. And yeah, stay tuned for Friday's video, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!